How to fix Telegram. This phone number is banned. So if you want to fix your Telegram phone number that has been banned, then what you can do is first you need to open up your Telegram application, or if you've been logged out of your account and if it says that this phone number is banned no matter how many times you try, just what you can do is once you have that kind of interface, you can simply tap on the help icon or help option, which will be on that kind of interface. So here I don't have that, but you will have a help option. Tap on help and it will take you to your mail option where you can simply send a mail to Telegram. So if you don't have that mail option, then don't worry, you can simply remove that, and then you can open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and here tap on the search and then search for Telegram support. And once you've searched for Telegram support, you will have this kind of interface. Simply tap on the first search and it will take you to the Telegram support. So under the support, you can describe your problem. You can write that my phone number is banned and I can't log into my account. Make that sweet and simple, and then you need to enter your email address on the next blank and your phone number on the last blank. Now once you've entered your information, tap on submit and then Telegram support will contact you and fix your problem. So that's how you can fix your Telegram this phone number is banned, or that's how you can recover your Telegram account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.